everyone, so today I have got the Makeup Obsession Count on Me advent calendar to unbox for you guys. This advent calendar is £30. I'm so sorry about the lighting. I actually have got a light on, believe it or not, but it's crazy. I think I'm gonna have to get my other light out. Yeah, but this advent calendar cost £29.99. I did have to look about 5 or 6 times because they have got last year's advent calendar, which I have unboxed. That's £40. They have still got that on their website. I put an image of me unboxing that one last year, but it looks very similar to this year's. But this is definitely this year's because I went back 3 or 4 times and double checked I was ordering the right one, because they looked so similar I couldn't tell, and they haven't got it in the description box where it says it's 2022. But this is definitely not last year's because I unboxed last year's. So this is £30, whereas last year's is £40. But I'll link both down below if you just in case you maybe want to buy last year's. But we're going to unbox this, and anyways, I think this is a 25-day. Yeah, it's 25 days, so it's £30 for a 25-day advent calendar. I will say it sounds a bit rattly, not my start. But yeah, we're just going to unbox it anyways and see what's in this advent calendar. This advent calendar works out at £1.20 a day, and we're just going to unbox it anyways and see what this is like. So let's just see. Day number 1, we've got a little square here. It's quite thin. We're going to see what you're like. Da, 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 da. So I have just unboxed the Love one as well. That will be coming tomorrow, I think. So we've got the Makeup Obsession blusher. This looks so similar to the last year's blusher, the shade and everything. Yeah, but that is it there. Yeah, that looks so similar to last year's blusher. Day number 2 is here. Alright, let's have a look. So £1.20 a day, don't forget, so very budget friendly. We have got the black eyeliner pencil. This is a chat. I don't think we actually got this last year. I don't know for definite though. But yeah, this I don't think we did. I will link last year's unboxing down for you. Last year's unboxing in the description box for you down below. So that was day number 2. We're into day number 3. I definitely feel like deja vu moment opening this though, because the packaging is so similar. So this is number 3. We have got a lip liner. Yes, a lip liner, and it is in the shade. It doesn't have a shade that I can see, but I am quite blind as a bat. It's like a nudie pinky shade. So that was day number 3. Day number 4, we have got here. What do you guys think it's going to be? Oh, right, we have got a brush. So I own these brushes already because we got them in last year's. Last year's was pink. These are lilac this year. But yeah, I just don't get this brush. I really don't get this brush. I don't mind mini brushes, but I will say I just don't get this head. What is this brush for? It's too big to do like cut creases. It's far too small to do foundation. Do you know what I mean? What is this brush for? But yeah, we got that brush. Not happy with that brush at all. That was 4. We want day number 5, which is this one here. I'm guessing a lip gloss maybe. Oh, I was right. It is a pretty pink lip gloss. Yeah, it'll be sheer on the lips, but yeah, it's a pretty lip gloss, and they're quite nice actually. They're the same as last year. So that's 5. 6, I'm guessing a blusher. And oh no, we've had a blusher, maybe a bronzer. We have got a baking powder. Now I'm excited about this. This is just like a setting powder, like powder maybe for under your eyes or something like that. Yes, I'm excited about this. I like stuff like this. Oh, that feels lovely. It has come out slightly white on my hand, but no, that feels really nice. I'm excited about that. Day number 6 is my favourite day so far. We want day number 7, which is this one here. We have got the brow pencil. I have got 2 of these. These are actually really quite canny. I actually have used the ones up from last year's. I think they've done 2 advent calendars where I got 2 advent calendars. I think I got like an I Heart chocolate one, and I got that as well. So I had 2 of these and 2 half used ones. But yeah, they're canny, so I'm not complaining about that at all. This is a lip gloss. It's not like a sheer lip gloss, it's more like a pigmented lip gloss in like a nude pink tone. Definitely not for me. I like a bit of I don't know, I like a bold lip, I guess. That's day number 8, 9, which is here. How cute is this? We've got another little travel brush, but this is like a powder brush. This is definitely usable, really pretty. Got this in last year's, but this is like a lilac shade instead of the pink. Really like that product. I don't think that's bad at all. So yeah, that is day number, was that 9? Yeah, 9, wasn't it? So we're in 10, which is this one here. Which is, yeah, let's see what you are. We have got a contour shade. This is it, yeah. I'm not really into the bronze and contour, and I much prefer putting blush around my face. I like the sunburnt look, but yeah, it's a nice shade. And if it wasn't the right shade for you, I feel like these are nice sizes that you could use them as eyeshadow, in my opinion. So yeah, I don't mind that at all, actually. That's day number 10. We want day number 11, which is here. We have got the brow gel. I think it will be clear, to be honest. Yeah, it is clear. So it's just, the brush looks exactly the same as last year's. I really like their brow gel. I kept every brow gel from the Revolution Advent Calendars last year, and I've still got a few of them. But yeah, I really like them. So that's day number 11. We want day number 12. Is here. Oh, didn't want to open that one. We have got a highlighter. This is in the shade, it just says highlighter. It is, I would say, like a goldy tone. Yeah, it's really pretty, really pretty. I think that one might be one in my giveaway because it's that pretty. I do not need any more highlighter, but I mean, I would keep it. That was 12. We want day number 13. This one here. Got a clear lip gloss in the squeezy tube. Has this got glitter in? Oh yeah, it has a very faint glitter. Can you see it? Very faint amount of glitter. Very pretty. That was day number 13. I went day number 14. This one here. Oh, I think it might be a mascara. Oh no, it's not. It is the Makeup Obsession eye primer. This is quite canny as well. I've actually got it on my eyelids today. I mean, my eyeshadow's been on all day, but yeah, I actually use this quite a lot. So yeah, I'm quite happy about having another one of them. So that's day number 14. And day number 15 is here. We have got another clear lip gloss. This is like a pale lilac shade, but you don't see the shade once it's on your lips, so it's quite pretty. I'm just not the biggest fan of squeezy tubes, to be honest. Brings back childhood. That was 15. We want 16. Yeah, we're guessing, I don't know, because we've had bronzer, we've had blusher, we've had a powder. Maybe another blusher. We'll go another blusher. Oh, it is not. It is a bronzer because the other one was contour. And this is the shade here. So I put them both near each other. I mean, they're so similar. Do you really need both? I don't think so, in my opinion. But yeah, we got that one. That was day number 16. Went day number 17. And this is what it is, what I use. Let's have a look. We have got a matte liquid lipstick. I've got the one from last year. I wear it all the time, so that is so exciting that they've put this in. But I feel like it's so similar to last year's. I don't need it this year. Like, I don't need another one, you know. But I will say I like that it's matte and it's not glossy. I absolutely love that it's matte. And if I didn't have the one from last year, I would have been all over this. You guys know I love a red. So yeah, really good day. Day number 17 is a good day. 18. Are we guessing another liquid lipstick? Or a lip gloss even? We have got a liquid eyeshadow, and look at this. Wow, so pretty. I really don't suit lilac shades, which is so gutting because this is stunning. This is absolutely stunning. Beautiful shade. That was a liquid eyeshadow. That was day number 18. We went day number 19, another like round one, so I'm guessing a blusher, bronzer, highlighter, something of the sort. And it is another highlighter, and this is what it looks like. Very pretty. It just says highlighter. It doesn't have a shade. Let's have a look at the other one. So this is the one we got earlier. So yeah, this one's definitely more deep. Very pretty though. Both are very pretty, to be honest. Stunning, stunning. I will say very similar to last year's, which makes it a bit more harder for me because I'm trying not to have too much of the makeup, which is the same. So it's like I'll not be keeping as much because a lot of it is so similar to last year's. That was 19, so we want day number 20, which is this one here. You've got another liquid eyeshadow, and this is in like a gold shade. So very, very pretty, like really pretty. So that was day number 20. We want 21. I'm kind of not wanting to open this, so well, it's really weird feeling it's a mirror. Oh no way, I can't believe they put this in again. Yeah, we've got a mirror. That is that one there. I'm not going to say anything on that, just not. That was 21. We want 22, which is underneath it. What do you guys think that this is? I think it's a bullet lipstick. That's different. We haven't had a bullet lipstick, have we? No, we haven't. This is a bullet lipstick. Doesn't have a shade. Ooh, it's like a brownie nude. It's so pretty. It's totally coming off a different colour on the camera. Yeah, but that is really pretty. That was day number 22. We want 23, and then we've got 24, which are 2 little tiny days. So I'm guessing I'm going to pull them both out. Brushes. So 23 is a little angled brush in the nice lilac shade again. And then 24 is the brush in the nice lilac shade again. But it's like a flat brush, which would be good for pressing eyeshadow on. Yeah, they're not so bad. Better than that other brush. You know, the first brush. Number 25. Oh my god, everything fell. Day number 25 is normally the big product, isn't it? And it is the Undercover eyeshadow palette. And this is a nude lover's dream. It's really pretty. This is what it looks like. It's very stunning. You've got one like shimmer, then 2 satiny type shimmers, and the rest are matte, which is beautiful. So like this is your shimmer. This one and this one are like satiny shimmers, and the rest, I would say, by the looks of it, are matte. Beautiful. If you love nude tones and you haven't got a palette like this, this would be right up your street. That is the Undercover palette. That is the Makeup Obsession Count on Me Advent Calendar unboxed. My 2 pence on this, or my thoughts, is this Advent Calendar is definitely 100% worth the money. It's £1.20 a day. You're getting a couple, I would say, filler days like these two. This brush, I don't know what this brush is. I mean, just tell me what this brush is. The mirror, I don't like them. I know some people like them, but I don't want that in my life. If it was a nicer looking mirror and it was covered, maybe, but yeah, I don't want that mirror in my life. The rest is good products, but what I will say is, if you've had this Advent Calendar in the previous years, you definitely don't need this Advent Calendar. Not that you need it in anyways, but like it's definitely one that I would say maybe miss out on, because everything in this year's Advent Calendar is so similar to last year's that you're going to have so many duplicates. And for me personally, that means that I won't be keeping as many items from this advent calendar, because I have already got basically majority of these items from last year's advent calendar. They're so similar, there's not much difference. Yeah, so that is kind of my 2p on it. But if you've never had one of their advent calendars, say you wanted this for your niece or your daughter or something like that, you've never had, and they've never had one of these advent calendars, then yes, it's definitely worth it. But it just really depends whether you've had last year's, in my opinion. And if you were thinking of buying last year's, I would buy this one because it's a tenner cheaper. I'll have it linked down below. I did get this for cheaper actually. I did use Lucy's code. I don't know whether it will still be working for the advent calendars, because obviously Revolution keep updating their website, but I did use Luce20 and it did give me a discount off this. So yeah, give that it's worth giving it a go to see if it worked. It's not an affiliate code for her or anything like that, it's just a discount code that gives us money off, but I did use that. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video, and anyways, if you like these type of videos, I would love you to subscribe down below. I have got tomorrow or the next day the Relove one coming, and then the Marks and Spencer's one is coming too, and I have got the Perfume Shop advent calendar coming, and I think I've got a couple more as well. Yeah, but I know they're ones that I've filmed like recently. So yeah, and anyways, if you haven't already, I would love you to subscribe down below, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.